The blue-eyed girl is the star of our college. Except she's surrounded by boring losers. But what's going on? These aren't losers anymore. They are cool guys. How did they do that? June, I can't believe it. Did you see the last pic the blue-eyed girl posted? Whoa, that's Ariana Grande. How did she take a selfie with her? Next, I'll Photoshop myself into this celebrity's pic. Photoshop is a great invention. I don't even know what I would post without it. All the coolest guys in college have expensive gadgets. I know! If I get the newest iPhone, everyone will notice me and I'll become popular right away. But Andy can only afford a case for the newest iPhone. I have a brilliant idea. Print a picture of the iPhone 11 camera. Cover it with tape. Cut off the excess tape on the edges. Attach it into the hole on a phone case. Tape from the inside. All eyes in the cafeteria are on Andy. Hello? Yeah, I can hear you perfectly. My phone has amazing speakers. What an awesome and expensive phone. Andy, hey, turns out you are cool after all. You can't tell the difference between a real phone and the fake one. Hey, Andy! Ah!
Oops.
Whoops, what's that? Wow, buddy, that's nuts. Megan is getting ready for class. Oh, my books, my glasses. And this chain isn't mine. Excuse me, did you drop this? I'm so sick of it. It tore again. You can keep it. Megan, your glasses. Give me the chain. I came up with something. Tie a fishing line to a chain. Thread beads onto it. Add a fastener. Do the same on the other side of the chain. Look at these stylish glasses. Now you won't ever lose them. June, that's beautiful. You're a genius. High five. The blue-eyed girl definitely has a crush on this beefy guy.
Hello.
What's so special about him? Do girls really like bodybuilders? Then the only thing I need to get her attention is a pile of muscles. Let's make muscles from a sheet of foam rubber. Trace a template so it looks like strong muscles. Cut out. Round the edges with scissors. Glue the foam rubber muscles to an old shirt. Andy puts on a shirt with fake muscles and turns into a macho man in just a few seconds. Whoa! Look at those abs! What? Who is he? Does he go here? Oh, Andy, can you give me a pencil, please? I don't understand math at all. Is there any chance you could help me out after class? Wow, Andy, this is your moment to shine. I need a new skirt. I want to be as stylish as the blue-eyed girl, but how am I supposed to pick one? Shopping online is very hard. I have an idea. I just need to turn the screen towards the mirror. It's like an online fitting room. Black is way too boring. The plaid is too bright. The green one is too long. And this skirt is perfect. I'm buying it. Andy is working hard on his muscles at the gym. Let's start with the barbell. Then go for the dumbbell. Working out like this takes a lot of strength. Oh, the things you do for Instagram likes. For example, making a styrofoam dumbbell. Paint a plastic tube black. Cut a circle out of styrofoam. Polish the edges with sandpaper. Cut a round hole in the center. Make a few circles. Add a smaller circle. Cut a nut from styrofoam. Glue the circles and the nut together. Coat them with silver acrylic paint. Stick the tubes into the holes and make a barbell. fun! I got a great video! Andy confused the guys in the gym. How did he do so many sets? Let me try. Hey, that barbell is fake! Is this the flower delivery service? Hello? I need the best bouquet you have. Roses! Deliver it to the college. Who's Megan? I have a bouquet for you. That's me. Did you order the bouquet yourself? Your voice sounds identical. No, sorry. Here's your money. Go! Megan, who is this bouquet from? This is from my secret admirer. No big deal. That lecture was so exciting. Did you like it? What? Of course! I totally agree with you. Maybe we should go to all of Miss Olivia's lectures. Are you serious? Yes, sure. I'd love to. It's a deal. Bye, June. Sorry, did you say something? No, I wasn't talking to you. Trace an AirPods case on Styrofoam. Cut it out with a utility knife. Press in holes for headphones with a hot glue gun. Coat it with white acrylic paint. Put the Styrofoam into the case. Cut wires off broken headphones. Stick the headphones into the case. My mom was calling. It's hard to notice these headphones right away. Didn't know you have AirPods. So light. Oh, these are new. Bye. Nice chat. Phew, I almost got busted. A guaranteed way to win someone's heart is to play the guitar. That's what Andy is counting on. He attracts the attention of the other students with his guitar, and even the blue-eyed girl gets interested and comes closer to listen. But a call distracts her. Where are you going? Don't leave! Andy runs after the girl, but the guitar keeps playing. It's magic! How is this even possible? Haha, it's simple. Andy turned on some music and only pretended to be playing. Everyone can be a virtuoso like this. June is getting ready for college. Nothing but hardcore vibes. Edgy earrings, black t-shirt, leather skirt, heavy boots. I'm sick and tired of it. I want something new. Oh! This choker looks pretty nice. Thread 3 beads onto a fishing line. Put another bead on both ends of the line. Pull it. Keep on doing that all over the choker. Attach a chain with a clasp to the ends. This is so beautiful! I look like an elegant lady. I'm almost royalty. Pearls work wonders. June, your necklace is stunning. My followers need to see it right now. Do you mind? Of course not. Megan knows for sure how to make a big entrance in college. She rolls up on a motorcycle with a super cool biker. Whoa, Megan, you're cool. Who's this tough guy? You have to tell us everything. The girls are following Megan. The guys want to take a closer look at the motorcycle and the owner. Guess who's hiding under the helmet? It's June! Whoa! Beautiful! Hold on, don't run away! Do you have any plans tonight? June, we need to change our styles! Let's let down our hair and fix our clothes. But makeup is the most important. I know a nice way to get plump lips. You need to bite them. It works! My lips are so plump now. Eye makeup, some blush. Now we just have to do our eyebrows. Oh, it's the blue-eyed girl! Girls, your makeup is looking great! Megan, your eye makeup is flawless! What mascara is this? June, what did you do to your lips? Tell me your secret! June, Megan, you are so interesting! Wow, turns out you are really nice! The girls got so carried away that they spent the whole lecture talking in the ladies' room. The students had an amazing transformation. They went from boring nerds to awesome and stylish trendsetters. And the most popular girl in the college has cool new friends. Did you like our college ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy. A case phone, a pearly choker, or styrofoam dumbbells? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new college ideas from Troom.